Today we could do some signing and the topic is weather. So you sign weather. Our next one is sun. So get your hand and flick. Sunshine. You sign sunshine. Next one is rain. So you two hands like this and rain. Rain. Again. Rain. Our next one is snow, and it's quite similar to rain, but it's fluffier. Like this, two hands, go like this, snow. Again, snow. Okay, our next one is ice. So it's clawed hands, and you drag the ice back like that, you're scraping the ice. Again, ice. Our next one is wind. So using our facial expressions, our cheeks, our mouth is like that, and it's the wind. Again, that's your wind sign. Next one is hailstone. So you've got little balls like this of ice that are coming down from the sky, and you're dropping them like that, and it's hail. Again, hail. Okay, next one is thunder. So it sounds like this, and it's thunder. Again, thunder. And what goes with thunder is lightning, so it's a flick of the finger like that. It's lightning. Okay, so we've got thunder and lightning. Okay, our next one is flood, which is our last one. So second to last one actually. So flood is your hands like this, and you rise in the water, up you go, that's the flood. The water's rising, that's the flood. Again, flood. Okay, and what do we get when we've had rain and we've had sun? We get a rainbow. Okay, again, rainbow. Okay, thank you for joining me.